Now we learned what is function and what is the parameter, what is the return, the values, and so on. Okay, but now what if I want to add for this fun one more than parameter 1 and parameter 2? I want a lot of parameters. How to do that? For that, we will use something called the args or star args. Okay, so here instead of typing the bar 1, bar 2, no, you just delete that and put star args here. And when I return here, I can put 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. Okay, actually, let's delete this print statement and the return value as well. And the I here, I don't need that. And actually, I don't need to print anything. I just want to call the function, and I will do the print inside the function, which is like this. And here, let's delete this. It's okay. No need for that. Yeah. So you can see that now, and when I am inside the function one, args, I put a lot of arguments, and all of them are integers. Now I can just print these arguments by doing the args like this. Okay, so let's print that and see what will happen. Let's clear the screen. Yeah, you can see 10, 20, 30, 40, which is something fun. And of course, if I want the first argument or the second argument, I will need to put 1, which is 0, 1. Okay, so let's save that and test if it is working. Yeah, you can see this time now it is 0, 1, which is the 20 value. Okay, so far so good. Now another thing, we can use something called key arguments or the keyword arguments. Okay, and for that I will put that inside the parameter for the function or the argument. So here you can put 2 stars and key from the kid character w args. Okay, like this. And then instead of using or printing the args, I will print the key args, the keyword. Okay, but actually, what is the keyword args? So here, when you put this thing, which is var1 equal 11, for example, and var2 equal 12. Okay, so this will print var1 and var2 actually, because these are the keyword arguments. As you can see, the parameter is star keywords. Okay, so let's run this and check this out. Actually, it's better. Yeah, you can see var1 is 11 and var2 is 12. And actually, for the keywords, actually, this is something familiar. We already saw that. This is the dictionary. So if I put here and put in double quotation var1, for example, and I return here and test it out, you can see that we just printed the var1, which is the 11, which is, as you can see, this is the dictionary. Okay, but the args is like the list. All right, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next lecture.